Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add certifications in your Upwork profile. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Well, in this video, we're only gonna look at how to add the certifications. At the top right, you'll see a profile picture right there. Just click on it, and something like this will open up right from there. Well, from here, what we need to do is simply go to Profile. The first button you're gonna see is something like this, Your Profile. Click on the button right there. Then you'll be redirected to this page. That is your profile. Well, we do want to add some certifications to our profile, so let's simply scroll down. I'm going to keep scrolling down till I see something like certifications. Well, right here you can see certifications, and do note that you can either add your certifications manually or import from Credly. It's up to you. Right now, I'm just gonna import them manually. I'm gonna click on this button right here. Then this will pop up. Well, from here, you need to select your certification. Click on this button here and just select the certification that you have. It might ask you to enter some details like issued date, expiration date, certification ID and URL. It's up to you to add them. I'm just gonna enter them right now. Well, as you can see, I have entered about everything. And once everything's okay, simply hit on this add certification button right here. And guys, that's it. That's how we add certifications in your Upwork profile. In case you want to delete them, here's the trash can icon right here. Simply click on it and then your certification will be deleted. Well guys, that's about it. That's how we add certifications to your profile in Upwork. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.